Hello, today we will guide you through how to mark invoices as paid in Xero. In this walkthrough, we'll record a payment against an existing customer invoice so your accounts stay accurate and up to date. You'll see where to find unpaid invoices, how to add the payment details, and what changes once it's saved. Have the actual payment date and the bank account that received the funds ready, as accuracy here helps with reporting and reconciliation. Start on your Xero homepage for the correct organization. From the main navigation, go to Sales. This is your central hub for customer billing and where you'll see quotes, invoices, and related activity. Next, choose Invoices. You'll land on a list view with filters that group your invoices by status. To find invoices that are approved and still outstanding, select the Awaiting Payment tab. This shows the invoices that need to be collected or recorded as paid. Pick the specific invoice you want to update and open it. Take a moment to confirm the customer name, the total amount, and the due date so you're certain you're working on the right document. It's always easier to review before you record a payment. At the top right of the invoice, click Add Payment. This opens the payment panel where you'll capture the details of the money you received. Recording the payment here applies it directly to this invoice and updates its status without needing to leave the page. In the Date Paid field, select the actual date the funds cleared your bank. Using the real clearing date keeps your aged receivables and period reports accurate and makes bank reconciliation smoother later. In the Account field, choose the bank account that received the payment. Selecting the correct account is important because it determines where the transaction will appear and helps ensure it matches your bank statement during reconciliation. In the Reference field, enter a helpful note, such as the payer's reference, a receipt number, or the payment method. A clear reference creates a clean audit trail and makes it easier to locate this transaction in reports. When everything looks correct, click Record Payment. Xero will update the invoice status to paid, set the outstanding balance to 0, and move it out of the awaiting payment list. You'll see the payment listed in the invoice history as confirmation. That's all there is to it. You can repeat the same steps for any other invoices that have been settled. Keeping dates, accounts, and references accurate ensures your receivables, cash balances, and reports reflect the real picture of your business.